Here's how to easily install Google Play Store on your computer, and then I'll show you how to install apps or games to your phone directly from your computer Play Store. First of all, on your computer browser, type here Google Play Store and open Google Play Store. And here select phone, and here you can select games or apps. I'm selecting here apps. And now to install Play Store in your computer, click on this three dot and here hover over on cast, save and share, and here click on install page as app. Click on install. Now go to your computer desktop and here you will find Google Play Store. Open Google Play Store, and to directly install apps or games to your mobile device from your computer Play Store, you have to first of all log into your Google account here. So click on this profile icon and go ahead and sign into your Google account, and you have to use the same Google account in your mobile device. So make sure to sign into the same Google account on your mobile device Play Store, and now search for the game or app that you want to install to your mobile device. Click on the app or game and click on install. If your phone and your computer Play Store are running from the same Google account, then here you will find your device, mobile device. Now select the mobile device, in which mobile device you want to install the game, and click on install. And the specific game or app will be installed in your mobile device from your computer Play Store.